Hey guys, it is Julie here with JT Wealth. In today's video, we are going to be taking a look at what Mammoth Company has been making advances in autonomous driving technology. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you so much for being here. Like I said, today we are chatting about autonomous driving technology, and the latest announcement about advancements in this segment comes from a company that you might not expect. The latest announcement of an autonomous truck program comes from the retail mammoth Walmart. Now, I know this is not one of the exciting EV companies that we normally discuss, but before you click away and think this is just boring old Walmart, I urge you to stick around as we're going to go through this exciting new autonomous truck program, what other driverless technology they're utilizing, and how this company is shifting from this old school blue chip stock and moving into a more of a growth trajectory. And just before we get into all of that, this is just your friendly reminder that if you enjoy today's video, make sure you give us a big thumbs up and leave your thoughts in the comments down below. Also, if you enjoy free stocks, make sure to check out some of the links in our description as well. Webull is giving away 4 free stocks right now just for signing up and funding a new investment account, so make sure to check them out. All right, now on to Walmart, who just announced that after more than a year of testing, Walmart is expanding their autonomous vehicle program with their partner Gatik for deliveries between Walmart properties in the state of Arkansas. It is the latest in a string of unconventional investments for the retail giant and successful advances in self-driving cars. Walmart announced Tuesday that it would expand its pilot program with Gatik's autonomous box trucks to operate a 2-mile route between a distribution center and a Walmart store in Bentonville, Arkansas. In its pilot program, launched last July, a safety driver accompanied the trucks. Now, with some 70,000 miles completed, the trucks will drive this route without a driver present. Walmart also said it would test the technology in longer delivery routes and try delivering customer orders to a designated location where consumers can pick up their orders. Those tests will come next year with a safety driver at first. While autonomous driving may not seem like it's in Walmart's wheelhouse at first blush, it could have key advantages for delivery purposes going forward, as well as potentially selling its technology to other companies. Just as important, autonomous driving fits squarely within the retail giant's recent strategy of being quick to invest in new technologies while branching out from its core retail business. The company Gatik focuses on the middle mile of the delivery network, and they move goods from micro-fulfillment centers and dark stores in urban environments to pickup points such as brick-and-mortar retail stores and distribution centers. They enable their customers to optimize their hub-and-spoke operations, enhance inventory pooling across multiple locations, reduce labor costs, and meet an unprecedented expectation for contactless delivery. Now, obviously, 2 miles is not a remarkable distance by any means, but it is a huge advancement as far as this autonomous technology goes. And their next pilot program is going to be working on a 20-mile distance. Again, not a massive amount of miles being driven, but when you think of how many Walmart delivery trucks are going back and forth between their distribution centers, you can see how this technology could really have an impact. Now, that autonomous truck program focuses on deliveries between Walmart's dark stores or fulfillment centers to their stores. But in other exciting driverless technology, they are looking at advancements in getting products directly to consumers, so more store to your door. And that is through a test driving pilot with autonomous grocery delivery company Nuro. So through their Houston-based pilot, Walmart aims to develop, refine, and continue learning how to offer the best end-to-end customer experience. Nuro provides this adorable little transport vehicle which is fully autonomous and designed to transport goods quickly, safely, and affordably. Hearing from Tom Ward, Walmart's SVP of Digital Operations, he said that their unparalleled size and scale has allowed them to steer grocery delivery to the front doors of millions of families and design a roadmap for the future of the industry. Along the way, they've been test driving a number of different options for getting groceries from our stores to our customers' front doors through self-driving technology. We believe this technology is a natural extension of our grocery pickup and delivery service and our goal of making every day a little easier for customers. So another really exciting and interesting test pilot for Walmart as they look for different ways to expand their online presence and customer service. Now, there is one other announcement I want to look at in regards to a partnership that's in support of Walmart's e-commerce growth. And that is with Plug Power, who announced today that it is expanding its relationship with Walmart. The maker of fuel cell engines will be supplying the retailer's e-commerce network. Now, Plug Power has been providing Walmart with its hydrogen engines and fueling since 2010. Walmart uses about 9,500 Plug Power fuel cell vehicles at 37 of its North American distribution centers. Walmart uses Plug Power's Gen Key, a range of offerings to power, fuel, and service hydrogen and fuel cell applications. Plug Power began expanding into Walmart's e-commerce in August of 2020 and says it will continue that expansion into 2021. Uses for the company's products include material handling trucks and automated guided vehicles. Jeff Smith, the senior director for Walmart's supply chain, touted the benefits of Plug Power's solutions during the pandemic, saying, "At our distribution facilities across the country, our decision to be an early adopter of Plug Power's hydrogen fuel cells has helped us manage and meet the increased demand for food and basic supplies." So I highlight all of these things today to just maybe have you look at Walmart stock a little bit differently and not as the boring old blue chip stock that it's known to be. Now, yes, it is that boring old blue chip stock in terms of stability, that steady growth, and a solid dividend, but the company is also making some pretty significant steps to keep up with the times and, more importantly, to keep up with technology. On top of all of this, the company's rollout of its subscription service, Walmart Plus, and its recent partnership with Shopify are both moves that bring more of its business online and to take aim at Amazon.com. Moreover, the company has been moving out of slower growth businesses while also expanding into both human and animal health. Some think that advertising could even be a new key driver for the stock. Collectively, these developments show that Walmart's strategy is to move beyond just retail, and it's more than willing to make investments, especially in technology, that could lead to new businesses with higher growth profiles than its stores. Viewed through this lens, autonomous vehicles fit within a larger narrative of Walmart's push to reinvent itself. Of course, I always love to see what the analysts are thinking on a stock. And right now there are 24 analysts with ratings within the last 3 months for Walmart. And it does come in as a strong buy, with 19 buy ratings and 5 holds. Now, the current average price target is about $162, representing just over an 11% upside. But I think as we start to see more and more of these announcements and movements into the autonomous technology, we might see a few analysts upgrade their outlook on this stock. So that is basically a quick update on what Walmart is up to in that autonomous technology sector. I think they're making some pretty exciting moves there that could really help drive this industry forward, especially as we see a lot of focus on this when it comes to autonomous taxi technology, which is a huge driver for stocks like Tesla. Of course, I always love hearing from you guys, so please let me know your thoughts on this. What do you think Walmart getting into the autonomous technology is going to do for that technology? And are they going to be able to compete with some of those other EV-focused companies? Just a reminder that these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock. Any trade should always be made based on your own research and due diligence. If you made it all the way to the end of today's video, make sure you give us a big thumbs up and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and cheers.